Oh my goodness. So part two of the part one. So I don't know if obviously you could hear it. So what that was a pigeon flying into the window. Unfortunately, the pigeon didn't live. So yeah, that was interesting. So when a bird flies into a window and it's passing, against all animals kind of like bring messages as well. So the message the bird was bringing was a warning, heartache, death, rebirth, change. Interesting as what I was talking about, and obviously I don't want to put any fears with anybody. So I think the important message that beautiful bird brought was a warning to all of humanity, to be aware, to be awake, to be loving, to be aware of how we are living. And that doesn't mean to say kind of like on a materialistic or financial level, and how we are living spiritually. So we've been dead spiritually probably for a long time, and this is the awakening of, and I know kind of like with some of you with your own awakenings, sometimes they're not gentle, like my own. It was more of a shake and a really hard prod. So this is me here giving you a very loud prod, people out there, perhaps as to potentially what is going on, but every single one of us, we play a role in this. So this is our part of becoming spiritually awakened again. We have lived like this as Atlanteans for over 1,000 years in 5D reality, but the Atlanteans were very connected spiritual people to one another and to their planet and to the universe and to other beings. So yes, that was a warning sign, but it also brings, I hope of change, and that change, that there's hope within that as well, but it also brings a new connectivity with it, in connection to all things, a realizations that we've always been connected to all things, it's just that we haven't been aware of it. So now is a new way of being, a new way of living, and you can choose how comfortable you want to be or how uncomfortable you want to be. It is completely your choosing. You can choose the path of fear, which feels uncomfortable, or you can choose the path of love, which is certainly more peaceful. We are all being asked to choose. Warning. Hate to be kind of like, me, I'm always kind of like light and fluffy, and but that is a warning. That's how I read it. Obviously many of you out there, you could read it, you could get a different message from it, and that is absolutely fine. There are 7.5 billion different truths out there, so whatever you receive from that message, that's for you as well. That's your message. But let this be a warning. That's all I'm going to say about this. Warning. Wake up, people. And I never ever wanted to kind of like say those words, because I didn't want to be the one, there's lots of people with megaphones, kind of like shouting about it and everything else, and this is the way I feel about it, and it really is kind of like time for change, and it's time to be aware. So on a lighter, brighter note, hold hope, hold love, look at your relationships. Are they conditional? Are they unconditional? Where am I giving my power away in my life? Am I being angry? Am I playing the blame game? Is it have a real awareness how you are living, have a real awareness how you are being, have a real awareness what you are choosing. And that beautiful bird was bringing that message with it. Wow. Right, I will leave. I'm definitely going to cut that there because you've had enough today, haven't you? So take care and I love you lots, and I shall speak to you soon. Take care. Love you all. Bye.